I recall Detective Kennedy.
It's in my file. Do you any objection to, states one is admitted for purposes of this, hearing. Good morning, sir. Would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give in this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Thank you, sir. Go ahead.
Could you please state your name for the record?
Dwight Dean.
And how are you employed?
Beaumont Police.
How long have you been in the city of Beaumont?
31 years.
You're a certified peace officer in the state of Texas.
Yes, ma'am.
And you and I discussed this case involving Hakeem Thomas as well as his co-defendant Tyree Hartley last week. And we're here in order to address the bond in this case. Can you briefly go over your involvement in the case and your familiarity with the facts in this case and why you think it's important that this defendant remains in custody?
My involvement is through Southeast Texas. I love the task force. We deal with auto murderers, and a new offense has been added to our penal code called jugging. We believe that this offense started out as a possible jugging on breaking into a car, and which ended up into injury with two of the guys involved, one standing here as well, that ended up injuring an infant child through coordinated efforts of us locally here in Beaumont, myself, officers on the street, along with deputies of the Chambers County Sheriff's Department. We're all involved to have these guys arrested.
So they did actually flee from this jurisdiction into Chambers County after this offense, which again involved an infant child in the back seat of that car being injured when they attempted to break into that car and retrieve the money that the child's mother had obtained from the ATM.
That's correct. The ATM of the bank, that the vehicle, the dad left the vehicle, and the mother and the infant child were in the back seat of the car. Not only did they break into the car with shattering glass on top of the baby and the mother in the car, with her continued efforts during the crime itself, they didn't stop. They kept on. Once they were successful, if you could say that, in any kind of theft, they did.